Welcome back to our video series where we have been building our workspace app together. We have thus far created a time tracking function and a to-do list. So today we're going to add just a couple last finishing touches before we do our theming, which you won't want to miss in the next video. If you're joining us here, first off, go back and watch all the other videos. What are you doing? Jumping in midstream. But you know what? Make your own choices. That's okay. I support you. And I am Kathryn Grayson-Mans, Senior Developer Advocate for KendoReact at Progress Software, and I have been pair programming this with my friend.
Hi, I'm Kalii Medina. I'm a front-end developer and UI designer. Nice to see you guys.
All right. So I think the first thing, let me get the files open, huh? Take a look at what we built.
Start.
So here's our homepage, and we've got this set up over here. So we can see here we've got our time tracker, we've got our to-do list, but I think it would be nice if we updated this header. We've still got kind of the stock header from when we did the CLI install using the Kendo tools for next.js, which did make getting started very easy and fast. Go back and watch the first video, but it's not particularly specific to this project. So, and I'm going to create a new component over here. We'll call this TSX. Use the app bar component to generate, let's say to create a header with a welcome message. Yeah, all right.
There we go.
So we have a very nice looking header here. Let's give this a copy and paste. I'll add my use client up here for next. Otherwise, we've got a pretty standard app bar here. It says, welcome to your workspace. Exactly what I wanted.
Perfect.
So I'm going to hop back over here to the main and I'll import a header. Actually, I wonder if it'll autocomplete for me. Excellent. That's what we like to see.
Good job.
And then we'll ditch this header and drop in our superior header.
Yes, the much better one. The more nicest one.
Now let's pop back over. That's looking spiffy. I do like that.
Me
Welcome to your
too.
workspace. Now, what else do you think we could add here?
Let's see. So we've got a time tracker. We've got a to-do list. I don't see a place for notes. I'm a big note taker. So if I think that would be helpful.
Yeah, just like a scratch pad, like a place to
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, or just doodle, that S sign from back in the day. Depending on our audience, you guys might not know that. So
yeah, how old are you guys watching?
Exactly.
Ooh, let's see. Please create a space to take notes. Basic text. Let's see.
Yeah.
Again, I think if I were making this, maybe we do have like word processing, but yeah, text area is probably the simpler option here.
Yeah, that's a good start. So she's closer than before, so that's good.
That's nice. Okay. So yeah, and it's reminding me, make sure you have KendoReact installed, which is fair. So let's, again, create a new file. Notes. We'll pop our generated stuff here. I'm getting a little error here. Label. Let's see what it thinks we should do to fix.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's right. It wants the label separately and then connected via the HTML4 and the ID here. So just a little syntax adjustment there. Now let's import here. And not what I meant to paste. Close our card like so. And I'm lazy, so I'm going to grab the exact same styles we've applied to the other ones.
Sounds
Because
good.
it worked so hard to AI generate them the first time.
Yeah, we had to use it.
Wait. Oh, basic notes. I'd love to see it. Probably don't need it to say your notes immediately under. So I might go back and clean that up a little. But
yeah, I think she's just trying to be helpful.
I think so. This is, however, starting to get a little unwieldy in terms of the layout.
It's just a little. This is kind of getting circa one like just long scroll page days of the internet.
It's very 90s. Everything
where there's a splash page beforehand that literally says enter my site.
Yes, we need some under construction GIFs and this will be complete.
Exactly.
Okay, so I am, I think, going to ditch this label, which I'm not sure we need. Let's see what our AI coding assistant can do. Let's say, please change the layout of our home page to use a grid structure.
Okay. Let's see if it uses the grid component, layout component, right? That's what it's called.
Right.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
I was curious as well whether it would. Okay, so it's giving us kind of a general structure.
Yeah,
here.
it's not.
Could copy and paste things in.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder, that's not a bad approach, and I might come back to that. But I kind of wonder if I paste in what I've got, if it can reformat it.
Okay.
Now that I know grid layout is available to me, let's see what she can do.
Let's see.
Are you more of a CSS grid or a Flexbox girl?
Oh, probably a Flexbox girl. What about you?
Also Flexbox. I think I just learned it first.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is looking nice.
Yeah.
Let's put her in and see how she looks. We do have our grid layout.
We do. And it kept the padding that we had previously on the card, so that's nice.
Ooh, that's a good catch. I didn't clock that. But here's the real moment of truth.
Yes. How?
Looking good, actually.
I really
quite
like
like
it.
that.
Yeah.
And she's responsive.
What?
Now that is starting to feel really nice.
Yes.
So it's looking to me like we're pretty good. And of course, there's space for us to add on more if in the future we find more things that we want to add to our little workspace hub. But now, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of ready to get to my favorite part, which is the styling.
Yes, let's go. I've been thinking about that since the beginning.
Because she's good, but she's looking a little boring. She's looking a little out of the box.
She's yes, which is fine. But she needs some help.
We got to start somewhere.
Yeah.
So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hop over to the next one where we're going to style this using the AI theme generator over in Theme Builder. Catch you later.
Bye.